Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. Today I have been out on a bit of an epic adventure with the Story Kayak. Done a 16-mile trip lock to lock on the River Ouse in York. Now the biggest issue I always have with these boats is the seats tend to be a bit naff, and it doesn't matter whether it's the Story. I've got 10 boats, I always find them quite uncomfortable, and with an old spinal injury, yeah, daft thing that I did in a car crash, I sometimes have more of an issue with the base of the boat rather than the backrest. The backrest tends to be quite good support, but it's the seat. So what I've been using, you might have seen one of my other videos where I used an orthopedic cushion to provide comfort. Well, Oggy, one of my partners in paddling, he's in. He actually recommends these. I'll take it out of the cover so you can see it. And it's a silicone gel, really tough, really robust, and quite spongy. Now I particularly like this one because it's got a good non-grip cover around it. Some of them, the covers are a little bit naff. I've tried several ones and sent several back, and then bought several of these because I really rate these. I really rate the non-slip feature on the cover itself, and these are just washable and removable, and they actually make the whole paddling experience a lot more comfortable. As I say, 16 miles today, and I didn't have any major issues with the base of my spine. We did get out and have a couple of pit stops, but as you might imagine, after doing 16 miles on a trip like that, you're going to take a couple of breaks, and we did. But yeah, I really rate those cushions. Now what I do recommend is I actually lash this to the boat. I use like a little mooring line and lash it to the straps of the boat, just in case I tip the boat, and then at least it doesn't fall out, because I have had that happen with another cushion on another trip. Oh no! I got my seat! Yeah, that wasn't very clever. So now I've learned from that, and I now strap everything to the boat so that if it does fall, it's not going to fall far. Just thought you might be interested in that. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any methods that you find useful. If you like this little video, you know what to do about liking, subscribing and all that kind of stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Cheerio.